Go, 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 oh my god, oh my god,
Oh my god, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, go inside, guys, go inside, hurry up. Oh my god, bro, what the heck was that? Dude, close all the doors, what the heck was that? Dude, there's a clown with a chainsaw outside.
Clown with a chainsaw. It's locked, it's locked. Guys, what the hell just happened? Guys, welcome back to another one of my videos. The craziest thing just happened. Me and William were outside throwing away the trash, and we just spotted this thing. It was literally digging food out of our trash, and he had a chainsaw. He's leaving. What the hell?
Dude,
Well, we need to lock all doors. We have to alert the neighbors.
My belly, he just went to the front door. Did you guys lock the front door?
No.
Go. Go.
It's open.
Close it, you idiot.
Who left it open?
I don't know. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Somebody left the door open?
I don't know. How about that door?
No, that door's locked.
Yeah, this door's locked.
Oh my god, what the hell, dude? This is insane. This door's always closed.
The door's open.
Check the garage, my belly, check the garage. Dude,
Dude, this is insane.
Oh, the door's open. So dark.
I don't know what's really going on.
So he was just back there?
Yeah, he was just back there. He was just back there. Oh my god! Oh my god! What the hell?
oh my god.
Look! Come on, come on!
Oh my god.
Come on!
Go upstairs, go.
William!
Go. Oh my god, no!
What the hell?
Oh my god, he just killed my belly.
What the hell? Guys, comment down below what you think. What is this clown doing here? Why? Whose phone does he have?
Oh, that's my phone. Damn it.
No, that's Orly's phone.
Guys, comment down below if you've ever seen that clown. This clown, we've never seen him in our videos. He's a different type of clown. What is he doing?
Hey, idiot, get out of here! Stupid clown! You're an idiot!
Oh,
Why would you say that?
You're an idiot! Get out of this house! The cops are already on their way. Oh shit! Go! Close door. Get in. Oh, you hide.
Holy hide! Yo, let's go in there. Leave this door.
Wait, hey, wait now, hurry up! Jump from the window! We're leaving!
Yeah, come on.
Jump from the window! Shut up!
What the hell? You just farted. The clown just farted. Juicy, ew. Kill JC!
No!
Back!
Oh my god! Dude, I smell this fart!
His fart was so disgusting.
Juicy! Okay, go. Oh. No, over here! Over here! He's helping her!
What the hell? This guy's a freak, guys!
Go, go, go. Dude, what the hell? Oh my god, my Belisa's dead.
Oh, my face is dead.
What are we gonna do? He's coming. He's coming. Go outside, go outside, go outside. Go outside, go outside, go outside. No! Ah! Oh my god. Oh my god.
God, what the hell?
Close the door. Close the door.
We gotta go hide.
You.
Joe, stop! He's a killer clown.
Oh shit. Oh shit. Wait, hide. No, please, I'm sorry. Sorry.
Guys. This clown is crazy right now, guys. Oh my god. I'm gonna hide back here. Oh my god, guys. They're looking for me. Oh, he's cleaning the tree. Oh. What the hell? What the hell? He's eating the food off the trash can, guys. Oh my god. Guys, I think William is still alive because somebody threw that ball and it saved me. The clown almost got me. It was so close. Oh, don't get away. Get away. Get away. No,
Shut the fuck up.
no, please.
Shut up, you little bitch.
Don't kill me. I'll give you whatever you want.
I want that ass, motherfucker.
What? That's disgusting.
I want them.
What
them.
You want the viewers?
I want them.
Don't, guys. Whatever you do, do not play with clowns. Oh my god. Guys, the freaking door just opened last minute. The door just opened last minute. Guys, the door just opened last minute. I was able to escape. What the hell? That door. Guys, that door saved my life. That door saved my life, guys. Everyone's dead. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe to the channel right now. I gotta go get help, guys. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my new YouTube channel. The link will be down below. Heynelm extended. I gotta find help. Bye, guys.